Breaking news coming in right there. We're getting visuals of Rakul Preet right there. Let's take a closer look at these visuals. We'll shortly inform you the location of these visuals as well. But at the moment, what you see on your screens is Rakul Preet on your screens right now. The NCB team is at Rakul Preet's house. And that's the latest that is coming in. Remember the background to this, Rakul Preet denied getting the summons from the NCB and then eventually accepted the summons as well. And she is going to be appearing for grilling tomorrow from what we are picking up. But at the moment, the NCB team is at Rakul Preet's house. So there you go. There's a lot of action that is taking place outside Rakul Preet's residence in Mumbai. Remember, she is also one of the actresses who is under the NCB net for the consumption of drug after her chats have appeared, and Rhea Chakraborty has named Rakul Preet for alleged drug consumption. The NCB team at the moment at Rakul Preet's house. We're getting you these live visuals on your screens exclusively here on India Today. We will be updating you more on the timeline as to when she's going to be appearing for the NCB as well, and what next as far as Rakul Preet is concerned. At the moment, Simone Khambata is being grilled as we speak. Her grilling is still not over. Deepika Padukone is going to be leaving from Goa as well. She's going to be grilled too. There is a net of 50 actors, actresses, directors, producers. There are 2 TV stars as well, TV actors. We just broke that story a little while back. They were also found in consumption, in possession of marijuana. The NCB has sure widened its probe. The NCB right there on a big, massive drug crackdown on Bollywood has shown up now at Rakul Preet's Mumbai residence. So that's the latest coming in. Our reporters will be joining us in just about a bit to get us up to speed. So facing Narco Bureau heat is Rakul Preet, actor Deepika Padukone, and of course Simone Khambata is being grilled at the moment. Live and exclusive visuals of outside Rakul Preet's residence. First here on India Today is what you are seeing on air. The backgrounder, Rakul was given summons by the NCB according to the NCB. She denied receiving a copy of the summons, after which we just reported a while back that she said she's in acceptance of the summons and she will appear for the questioning in front of the NCB as well, and she finally has accepted the summons as well. Now the question really is, why is the NCB at the moment at Rakul's Mumbai residence? Our reporter will be able to tell us more details about why the NCB is at the Mumbai residence of Rakul Preet, but these are the live and exclusive visuals that we're bringing at the moment to you first here on India Today.
तमाम अधिकारी हैं रकुल प्रीत को नोटिस देने के लिए आए हैं पश्चिम मुंबई के बांद्रा में। ये रकुल प्रीत का घर, आपको बताएं कि लगातार चूंकि वो समन स्किप कर रही थी, हालांकि 11:24 पर एनसीबी की ओर से कहा गया था कि उन्होंने जो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म है उसके जरिए समन ले लिया है। ये नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम है जो पहुंच चुकी है रकुल प्रीत के घर पे, बांद्रा इस आवास पे उनको समन दिया गया है। दूसरी मंजिल पे रकुल प्रीत रहती हैं। ये एक पॉश इलाका है बांद्रा का, यहाँ पर दूसरा मंजिल जो है यहाँ पर रकुल प्रीत का घर है। और अब ये एनसीबी की टीम देखिए, ये इस गाड़ी से MH46AP6566 इस नंबर से रकुल प्रीत एनसीबी की टीम यहाँ पर पहुंची है। 4 अधिकारी थे, जिसमें 4 अधिकारी हाथों में फाइल और साथ में सम्मन की कॉपी जो उन्होंने सौंप, अब उसके लिए रकुल प्रीत के घर गए हैं ताकि उन्हें कल, आपको बताएं कि कल सारा अली खान को भी ऐसे ही सम्मन भेजा गया था और उसके बाद से श्रद्धा कपूर के घर भी एनसीबी की टीम गई थी और अब सीधे सीधे रकुल प्रीत के घर पे रिया चक्रवर्ती ने ड्रग्स के मामले में नाम लिया था और उसके बाद ये देखिए एनसीबी की टीम यहाँ पर पहुंची है, उनको सम्मन दिया जाएगा और साथ ही उनको कहा गया है कि वो कल जांच में हिस्सा लें, जांच में शामिल हों और जिन सवालों के जवाब एनसीबी को जानने हैं उन सवालों के जवाब दें। पश्चिम मुंबई बांद्रा में पवन के साथ में आशुतोष मिश्रा।
All right, so that's the latest coming in right there. Ashutosh Mishra getting us that ground report from Rakul Preet's Bandra residence as well. The top stars have been summoned. Rakul finally accepting the summons as well. And at the moment, the NCB is at Rakul's residence. My colleague Amit Tyagi is joining us live for the very latest. Amit, tell us why the NCB has reached Rakul's Mumbai residence. Rakul has accepted the summons and she is willing to cooperate tomorrow. But what is the reason for the NCB showing up at the residence at the moment?
President Rakul could not meet her deadline, and later on she accepted that she has got the summons. So now officers have come to her house. Just now they're right inside Rakul's house, and they're gonna officially summon her. Since previously she had met the deadline, and she had given the reason that she couldn't get the summon in her Mumbai residence as well as Hyderabad residence. So finally the officers have come to her house, and now they're going to physically deliver the summon to her, and we can expect summoned actress to be in the NCB's office tomorrow.
Reason for the NCB to reach Rakul Preet's residence at the moment. At the moment, what is the plan of the NCB? Tomorrow is when Rakul Preet will appear before the NCB, and her official questioning will happen tomorrow, Amit. But what about now?
Now, right now, they have just went inside. I think they're going to be physically giving the summon to her. And since she has cited various reasons for not getting the summon, so this time the officers have ensured that physically they give the summon to Rakul Preet, so that there is no reason for any ambiguity, as Rakul has been citing various reasons. But right now, the officers have ensured that everything is proper, and that's why they have come. Physically, they have come. The officers have come here, and they're gonna give the summon to her.
That's right. Hold on right there. Amit getting us that ground report from outside Rakul's house, outside Rakul Preet's house. She has finally accepted the summons. According to Amit, they have themselves come with a copy of the summons, and tomorrow is when she is going to be grilled by the NCB. The NCB at the moment is at Rakul Preet's house, and the Narco Bureau heat is over the drug links for Rakul Preet Singh as much as it's for Simone Khambata and Deepika Padukone as well. Just to give you a short recap of all that is happening. Number one, you've got Simone Khambata, who's currently being grilled by the NCB. Number two, Rakul has finally accepted the summons, and the NCB, from what you see on your visuals, has reached Rakul's residence with a copy of the summons as well, according to our reporter Amit Tyagi. Number three, Deepika Padukone is going to be leaving Goa any moment now to come to Mumbai, because she's going to be facing the Narco Bureau heat.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.